हाय स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू स्मार्ट वर्ल्ड स्कूल ऑफ कंप्लीट एजुकेशन। और आपका एक बार फिर से स्वागत है आपके इस चैप्टर में। हम इस चैप्टर में आप इंग्लिश मीडियम के बच्चे हो और बहुत सारे बच्चों को होता है कि कुछ डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स होते हैं जो आप पढ़ नहीं पाते हो। तो इस चैप्टर को हमने 4 अलग अलग क्राइटेरिया में रखा हुआ है ताकि हर बच्चे को ये हर लैंग्वेज में समझ में आए। तो पहले तो ये रीडिंग करके हमारे टीचर्स आपको बताएंगे, तो रीडिंग का पूरा वीडियो आप देखिए, एंड तक देखिए ताकि आपको रीडिंग समझ में आए। उसके बाद में आप हिंदी एक्सप्लेनेशन के वीडियो को देखिए ताकि आपको सारा जो इंग्लिश का कॉन्सेप्ट है वो हिंदी में भी समझ में आ जाएगा। फिर आप मराठी एक्सप्लेनेशन देख सकते हो, तो मराठी में भी जो बच्चे हैं उनको भी फायदा होगा। साथ ही साथ में बच्चों, अगर आप नॉन मराठी हो लेकिन आप महाराष्ट्र में पढ़ रहे हो, प्लीज आपको भी मराठी में ये चैप्टर देखना चाहिए ताकि आप मराठी भी समझ पाओ। और उसके साथ साथ में यही चैप्टर आपको इंग्लिश में भी एक्सप्लेन किया गया है, क्योंकि आप इंग्लिश मीडियम में पढ़ते हो लेकिन ये होता है कि आपको इंग्लिश समझ में नहीं आता, क्योंकि आप इंग्लिश तो हिंदी समझने में ही अपना पूरा टाइम लगा देते हो बच्चों। तो प्लीज इंग्लिश एक्सप्लेनेशन को भी आपको देखना है और समझने की कोशिश करनी है। नए नए वर्ड्स आपको वहां पर सीखने मिलेंगे और आपको किस तरीके से सो हाउ बेसिकली यू कैन speak in English and you can understand every word and the sentences flow, right? So please, if you listen to English explanation, then definitely you don't have to by heart your question answers, you can write it very effectively. अगर आप English explanation सुनते हो और अपना वीडियो English explanation में बना करके भेजते हो बच्चों, तो आपको बिल्कुल भी क्वेश्चन आंसर बाय हार्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। यू कैन राइट ऑन योर ओन, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। सो हम ऐसी पढ़ाई आपके लिए करवाना चाहते हैं, ठीक है। अगर आप करना चाहते हो और आगे बढ़ना चाहते हो तो इस चैप्टर को एंड तक देखिए। हमने एक पूरा ऐसा मेथड बनाया है जहां पर आप बच्चे जो है इस चैप्टर को देखोगे, रीडिंग, एक्सप्लेनेशन, हिंदी, इंग्लिश, मराठी, सारी चीज़ों को। और आप अगर हमारे साथ पर्सनलाइज्ड एजुकेशन प्लेटफॉर्म पे जुड़ोगे तो आप यहाँ पर कुछ प्राइजेस भी विन कर सकते हो। आपके सारे चैप्टर्स एवरीडे एक पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट का वीडियो आपको यहाँ पर मिलेगा। लेकिन उसके लिए पहले आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना पड़ेगा। अगर आप पहली बार इस चैनल पे आए हो तो तुरंत से अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लो ताकि हर रोज एक सब्जेक्ट का आपके सिलेबस का एक वीडियो आपको मिले यहाँ पर, और आप जो है उसे सही तरीके से पढ़ करके आगे बढ़ पाओ, राइट। सो आपको एंड में मैं आपको टाइम टेबल भी दे दूंगा कि किस तरीके से कौन से दिन कौन सा सब्जेक्ट होगा और कौन से वीडियोस आपके सामने आएंगे, राइट। सो उस वीडियो को देखने के लिए आप तैयार रहिएगा। और हम जो है इस सारी चीज़ों को बहुत ही बेहतरीन तरीके से पर्सनलाइज्ड मैनर में आपके लिए तैयार करके रखे हुए। बस आपको वीडियो देखना है, एंड तक देखना है और आगे बढ़ना है, राइट। सो ऑल द बेस्ट स्टूडेंट।
Hello students, welcome to Smart World, a school of complete education, and today we are going to read about a topic which is be a good host and guest. So let's go ahead and read this topic, interesting topic, because it's very mandatory to become a good host and also a good guest. In these time there is no one is very good host, so some point to remember how to become a good host and a guest, good guest. We all have to get together with our friends and have fun. We like our favorite dishes even better when we share them with our friends. In short, we all love a party. You may have attended parties or you may even have given some. What do you think make a good party? Expensive? Fancy? Clothes costly? Decorations? Rich food? Such things may make a party look glamorous, but is that enough or even necessary to make the people happy? A good party is when the host and the guests can both enjoy themselves and be happy. It should become a pleasant memory in the minds of all. Let us see what we can do to make sure that the party become memorable in a good way. So, you know what? When we are sharing our lunch, it look like we are having a party. It look like that we are having a party. It's a tea. Then what is it in? So if you are sharing your dishes, your favorite dishes, with your friends, it's just like we are partying. Means that we all love to do party because yes, in our generation we love to do party. So you have done many parties. What do you think? A good party is expensive party, fancy clothes. If you are fancy clothes, decoration, it should be whatever it is. Such thing may make a party look glamorous. These fancy clothes, expensive thing, costly decoration may make glamorous means having glamour or attractive, you can say. But it is not enough. Glamour is not enough. It should be so good that you should love it by yourself. It should make people happy. A good party is where the host and the guests can both enjoy themselves and be happy. So let us go ahead and read and learn how to become a good host and guest. If you are the host, these are the things that you should remember to do. If you are a host, then you should remember all these points to become a good host. So a girl is saying, let's have a surprise party for grandpa. Consult your family members first and see whether they like the idea. They will help you to choose a suitable time, date, place, menu, etc. Make a list of the people you wish to invite to the party. Send the invitation well in advance. You may extend an invitation orally or you may send written invitations. Make sure that your invitation includes all the necessary information. Who is inviting whom? The first point is who is inviting whom, the question why you are giving the party, and the last one when and where it will be held, what day, what time and what place, because it is necessary. If you are not mentioning time, date and place, how will be anyone is knowing where should I go? I should be coming to my home, should go in a playground, or which state? Oh my god, the party is over and I don't know which state it will be. Time, for which time it should be held. So there are two types of invitation. One is formal one and other is informal one. Formal one, which is official, which you send to, you can say, which you send like official office type. And informal, which is friendly, or you can say related to your friends, related to your suitable location, etc. So when you're deciding to host a surprise party, you should always consult family member because they give you which time is suitable for them, when which time they are free, location, menu, date, etc. And then you should have to make a list of people who are coming in your party. Then there are several points. There are 3 points you should notice: who is inviting who, occasion where you are giving, the reason why you are giving the party, and then time, date, place. It's very necessary. So let us read 2 invitation. First is formal invitation. Dear Madhu uncle, a date is given above it. This is a format, you can say. We have arranged a surprise party for Daddy on the 21st of December, his birthday. I will be very happy if you can come to our house at about 6 p.m. We have also called a few of our close relatives. We have also called a few other close relatives. So do come, yours lovingly. Then other dates, an informal invitation date. Then he Sona. I'm so excited, a surprise party for grandma on 21st December at her home. Do come at 6 in the evening, don't forget. Give this message to uncle and auntie. Don't let grandpa know. Yours, Kedar. Choose a menu that your guest will enjoy. Remember that the story of fox and the crane. As a good host, you should consider your guests' preferences first. So you should choose a good menu that your host should love. It's not like some are vegetarian, some are non-vegetarian, and you have only ordered a non-vegetarian. No one will be going to love it. So it's just like a story of fox and crane. You have read a story of fox and crane. Fox invited a crane, and he just poured the food on a plate, ate which a crane can't eat, and he himself eat that on the plate because it is easy for him to eat. And the crane, when she invite to the fox, he gave him a pot-like structure in which his mouth can't be fixed, and crane easily eat the food. So this is a reference. So you should invite your guest, and suitable menu should be fixed. Chalk out a program. Will you begin with games or music? When will food be served? So chalk out means write your program. Okay. Will you begin with games or music? What is the theme? Sorry, what will you are going to begin with? You are going to begin with music, games, or firstly you will be going to serve a food. Do you want any decoration? How will they be done? So if you want any decoration, then second point, any decoration should be done. Then who all will be going to help all these? Once you have planned the above details, you can work out how the various tasks can be done. Who will help you to do each of them? So once you have planned all details, you should work together. You should who will help you to do each of them. So what is that? Which work should be done by one person? Because if everyone do the same work, it will be difficult. It will take much time. So work should be distributed. On the day of party, you must be ready before your guests. Wow, great! What a surprise! So on the day of party, you should be ready before your guests come. So you should be all ready, clothing, everything is weird. Your decoration, food preparation should be ready before the people arrive. Everything should be prepared, decoration, food, everything should be prepared. You must greet all your guests when they arrive. If they don't know one another, you must introduce them. You should see that all your guests are comfortable and happy. You should serve the food politely, making sure that everyone is served what they want. So you should greet all your guests, and if the guests don't know each other, you should also help them to introduce. You should also introduce them that they should know each other. You should also see that your guests are comfortable and happy, and serve the food politely, making sure that everyone is they want. If you are holding party games, make sure that everything. If you are holding party games, make sure that everyone gets a chance to participate and enjoy. Here's some common party games: musical chairs, charades, hot and cold guessing game, whispers, Simon Says, pin and tail on the donkey, or you can say treasure hunt. You should not keep playing with some friend and ignore others. It should not be like that. Some are playing and others are being ignored. Everyone should participate because obviously it's the party. When it's time for the guests to leave, you should say goodbye to each of them personally. So when the guests are leaving, you should say goodbye, we will meet soon. And politely should speak, not like that, not in a rough tone. Bye, we will see again later. But like that. Bye bye, we will be seeing you again. With a smile on your face. Most important of all, help clean up after a party, because obviously there are much of the work related to mother. So you should help mother to clean all the things. So if you are a guest, there are some tips for you too, because also there is a work for guests. Please acknowledge that you have received the invitation, and let your host know whether or not you will attend the party. So acknowledge, please accept that you have received the invitation card, or orally or written, and let the host know that if you are coming or not, so that he will arrange the party with same manner. If you are choosing a present for your host, think well about what he or she will like. A thoughtful gift is appreciated more than an expensive one. Remember to remove the price tag or label from the gift. It is not polite to let your host know how much you have spent on the gift. Wrap the gift well and if possible decorate the wrapping yourself. So you should choose a present which should be it's not necessarily should be very costly, but you should choose a gift which should be appreciated well. Thoughtful gift, you can say thoughtful means thinking deeply that this gift is good than other gift. And just remember that you should remove the tag of the gift. Wrap the gift and if possible, you should wrap the gift and then decorate it well so that it will look very good. On the day of the party, when you arrive on the party, on the day of the party, be punctual, reach in time for the party. If there is any work to be done, offer to help. Be friendly with the other guests. Take part in the programs and the game, if there are any, willingly with your wish. It's not like others saying, please come, and you say, no, I don't want to come. Appreciate the food and decoration honestly. Don't waste food. Take only as much as you want. When it's time for you to leave, approach your host and say goodbye. So, you should be very punctual. You should arrive at the time. Offer the help if anyone wants that any work should be done. Friendly with your other guests. And if you want to participate or you can take part in program and game, you should do willingly. It is not like that please come and you are not saying no. So, and also don't waste food because it's very scarce. There is a scarcity of food too. So you shouldn't waste food. When there's a time for you to leave, then say to your host goodbye. We will meet soon. Later on, let your host know either personally or in writing how much you enjoy the party. So later on, you should tell your host either by writing or just orally. You can say personally that yes, I enjoyed the party. It's good. I love the party. You have done hard work for it. The success of a party should be measured by the goodwill and friendship it creates. To be you a host or a guest, do all you can to boost it. So be you a host or a guest, do all you can to boost it. So important that a successful party should be measured by the goodwill, by friendly feeling towards other. Goodwill means friendly feeling towards other. A friendship it creates, because if you are coming in a party, you are also knowing. You are getting many person, you are joining many person and introduced by them that these are my friends. So you are getting know each other. So she said success party should be measured by the goodwill and friendship it creates. If you are a host, you should do all the work you can boost. You can increase the strength. You can encourage that it's good party and help them out. So there are things to do. You should work on it and see the topic again. Thank you class.
स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आप सही तरीके से अपने वीडियोस यहाँ पर हर रोज भेज रहे हो, आपके चारों वीडियोस आ रहे हैं, तो हर हफ्ते आपके लिए एक स्पेशल गिफ्ट हम यहाँ पर आपको देंगे, राइट। और मंथली अगर आप कंसिस्टेंटली अपने वीडियोस हमें भेज रहे हो और चेक हो रहा है, और जो भी बच्चा सबसे अच्छा स्कोर करेगा पूरे मंथ में, उसे एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन गिफ्ट दिया जाएगा। सो प्लीज़ आपके गिफ्ट के लिए नहीं, आपके एजुकेशन के लिए, और पर्सनलाइज्ड एजुकेशन ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म पे, और वो भी फ्री में, राइट। सो प्लीज़ आपको क्या करना है, वीडियो को एंड तक देखना है। आपको अच्छे तरीके से हर रोज़ वीडियोस को सुनना है और अपने वीडियोस बना करके अच्छे से अच्छे तरीके से भेजना है, राइट। अभी आपको मैं कुछ सच्चाई बताता हूँ। जैसे देखिए यहाँ पर ये स्कूल में आप क्या कर रहे हो, राइट। 50-60 स्टूडेंट्स के बीच में बैठे हो। ये है ट्यूशन आपका, ट्यूशन में भी यही हो रहा है, 50-60 स्टूडेंट्स के बीच में आप बैठे हो, टीचर्स पढ़ाना चाहते हैं, इसमें कोई दूसरी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, टीचर्स पढ़ाना चाहते हैं, लेकिन इतने सारे बच्चों को एक साथ टीचर नहीं पढ़ा सकते हैं, सबकी बातें, हर बात सबके लिए नहीं सुन सकते हैं वो, राइट, और उनको ग्रेड भी नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो वो ओवरऑल क्या करते हैं, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के पीछे पड़ जाते हैं। हम ये नहीं बोल रहे कि स्कूल नहीं बराबर करता या ट्यूशन्स बराबर नहीं करते, प्रॉब्लम है वहाँ पर, वहाँ ज़्यादा बच्चे एक साथ आने की वजह से अच्छी क्वालिटी मेंटेन करना प्रॉब्लम है, और यहाँ पर टेक्नोलॉजी की मदद से आप अपने समय पे सारे वीडियोस बना करके सीख करके मुझे भेज सकते हो, हमारा टीम आपके सारे वीडियोस को चेक करेगा, और जो टाइम बैरियर है मल्टीप्लाई हो जाता है, आप अपने टाइम पे काम करते हो, टीचर्स अपने टाइम पे काम करते हैं, आपकी क्वालिटी कंट्रोल में आती है, आप कितना अच्छे से सीख रहे हो, समझ रहे हो, ये सब कुछ समझ में आ जाता है, आपका पढ़ाई इंप्रूव होगा बच्चों, आप जब सारी चीज़ों की रीडिंग, राइटिंग, एक्सप्लेनेशन, राइट, सो ये सारी चीज़ें जब आप करोगे धीरे धीरे तो डेफिनेटली आपका पढ़ाई में इम्प्रूवमेंट आएगा, आप बहुत अच्छे से हर चैप्टर को समझ पाओगे, हर लैंग्वेज में इम्प्रूवमेंट आएगा, आपके समझने में इम्प्रूवमेंट आएगा, आपके बोलने में इम्प्रूवमेंट आएगा। सो प्लीज़ पर्सनलाइज्ड एजुकेशन की तरफ आप जुड़िए, और उसके लिए सिंपली करना कुछ नहीं है आपको, ये जो वेबसाइट पे आपको डाइवर्ट किया जाएगा, या नीचे वेबसाइट का लिंक दिया गया है डिस्क्रिप्शन में, वहाँ पर आप क्लिक करिए, वहाँ पर आपका मोबाइल नंबर रजिस्टर करना है, उसके बाद में आपको एक मोबाइल नंबर पे व्हाट्सएप पे एक लिंक आएगा, उस लिंक में जो डिटेल्स मांग रहे हैं वो फिलअप करिए, उसके बाद में आपको पूरी ट्रेनिंग दी जाएगी, किस तरीके से आपको लॉगिन करना है, किस तरीके से आपको जो है सीखना है, अपने वीडियोस रिकॉर्ड करने और हमें भेजना है। थोड़ा 1-2 दिन परेशानी होगा, लेकिन 1-2 दिन के बाद में जब आप परफेक्ट हो जाओगे, हमारे टीचर्स आपको फॉलो अप करते रहेंगे, वो हेल्प करेंगे आपकी जब तक आप परफेक्ट नहीं होते हो, और फिर हर रोज़ डे में आप पूरा जो भी सब्जेक्ट आपको दिया गया है टाइम टेबल के हिसाब से उस वीडियो को आप सुनोगे, वो सारी चीज़ें आप करोगे, करने के बाद हमें वीडियो भेजोगे, हम उसे चेक करेंगे और शाम को आपका रिपोर्ट आपके पेरेंट्स के पास होगा। तो बहुत ही मज़ेदार तरीके से हम आपको पढ़ाना चाहते हैं, लेकिन उसके लिए आपको हमारे साथ जुड़ना होगा, और तब जाकर के आपकी मदद हम कर पाएंगे, राइट। सो उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप हमसे जुड़ोगे और ये चैनल सबके साथ शेयर करोगे, ताकि आपके सारे दोस्त जो है इस चैनल पर आए और आप सब लोग एक साथ मिलकर के इस चैनल पे सीखो और एक दूसरे के ग्रोथ को भी चेक कर पाओ, ठीक है। तो हमारे वेबसाइट पे ऐसा पूरा पोर्टल में सिस्टम दिया गया है कि आप अपने दोस्त के साथ कॉम्पीट कर सकते हो, चेक कर सकते हो कि आपका दोस्त कितना अच्छा कर रहा है। सो प्लीज़ पर्सनलाइज्ड एजुकेशन को जोड़िए, ये चैनल सब्सक्राइब करिए और आगे बढ़ते जाइए। ऑल द बेस्ट।